Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving straight into a massive fundamental shift that's completely transforming the internet right now. We're looking at something called the Agentic web and a really powerful tool called AnythingLLM. We're going to break down exactly what all of this means for local New Zealand businesses, and more importantly, how you can actually ride this tech wave without just handing over all your private data to big tech companies.
Okay, so let's jump in with a really provocative question from tech analyst Richard McManus. Imagine for a second that you run a local bakery in Wellington, or maybe a tour company down in Queenstown. For the last 30 years, your website's entire goal was simply to get human beings to visit, click around your menus, and buy something. But what happens when the humans stop visiting? What if your customers are just delegating these tasks to their AI agents? They're just asking their AI to summarize your tour options, completely bypassing your beautiful website. Well, that's the reality we are facing right now.
This breaks down exactly how the internet is shifting. On the left, we've got the old read/write web. This is human-centric. It's people physically navigating menus and clicking links. But on the right, we have the new agentic web. In this world, machine-to-machine interaction is just the default. People just tell their AI what they want, the AI goes out, reads all the websites, and brings the answer back. So your website goes from being a destination for a real person to basically just a data layer for a robot.
Now don't panic, because this shift actually makes your website more important than ever. It's your ultimate source of truth. If you want to survive as a business today, you definitely don't shut your website down. You have to make it bilingual. It needs to look great and speak beautifully to humans, but it also has to be structured perfectly so that AI agents can easily read and understand it. Because if the AI trusts your site, it's going to recommend your business.
Section 1. AI on your terms. So how do we actually adapt to this? How do Kiwi businesses get involved without handing over all our customer relationships and private data to massive overseas platforms? Well, the secret lies in a hybrid AI architecture. Think of it kind of like this. If you can handle a job with your own in-house local team, you do it. If it's too massive, you outsource it. Hybrid AI does exactly that. It relies on local, on-device AI whenever it possibly can to protect your privacy and save you money, but it smoothly falls back to heavy-duty cloud AI for the really complex stuff. It's the perfect balance of cost, performance, and total control over your data.
This setup is remarkably simple but incredibly powerful. Basically, a user's request hits a router first. Just think of this router as a really smart traffic cop. The traffic cop looks at the request and decides, hey, can my local, free, completely private AI handle this simple question? If yes, it sends it right there. But if the user asks something incredibly complicated, the traffic cop routes it out to the big, paid cloud AI. It is literally the perfect safety net for a small business.
Section 2. Enter AnythingLLM. To actually build this architecture today, you absolutely do not need a team of expensive software engineers. You can just use a wildly popular open source app called AnythingLLM. It has over 60,000 stars on GitHub, which is huge. But to really grasp how it works, we need to understand a somewhat fancy acronym, RAG. That stands for Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Let's make it simple. Imagine an AI is a super smart 12-year-old taking a test, but they haven't read your specific textbook. RAG is literally just giving that AI an open book test. You hand it your specific documents, like your Queenstown tour guides or your private staff manuals, so it can read them right before it answers. AnythingLLM is basically a 5-minute install that lets you do exactly this, chatting directly with your own documents.
And looking at the pricing, it's incredibly accessible for New Zealand startups. The desktop version, totally free forever. It's absolutely perfect for a solo entrepreneur. Now, if you've got a small team and you want to share documents securely, you can self-host it using Docker for literally just the cost of your server. And if you're thinking, I don't want to deal with any IT headaches whatsoever, their cloud tier is roughly $50 a month.
Section 3. The local AI illusion. Right, before you rush out and download it, we really need to clear up a major misconception. There is a huge pitfall here that traps a lot of people who think they're getting totally free offline AI right out of the box. As the review from RoboRhythm so perfectly points out, AnythingLLM is the cockpit, not the engine. I absolutely love that analogy. When you install it, you are getting a gorgeous dashboard, a steering wheel, and a navigation system. It manages your files, it gives you a great user interface, but out of the box, it doesn't actually have a motor to process the AI answers.
So here's the breakdown. The cockpit, AnythingLLM, organizes the whole shebang. It chops your documents up into readable pieces and stores them, but the engine has to come from somewhere else.
If you just grab an OpenAI API key and plug it in to make it work, you are not running local AI. You've essentially just built a self-hosted ChatGPT that is still sending your highly sensitive business data overseas, and you're still paying a fee for every single question asked.
Section 4. Setting up your assistant.
Okay, so to get true zero marginal cost AI, where your customer data literally never leaves your own computer, we have to connect our beautiful cockpit to a local engine. And it's just a breezy 4-step process. Step 1. You install a totally free program called Llama. Llama is your engine. Step 2. You download an AI model into Llama, like Llama 3. Step 3. You open AnythingLLM and you just tell it to look at Llama for its brain power. And step 4. You upload your documents. Boom! Just like that, you have a 100% offline, completely private assistant.
Now, depending on your computer's horsepower, specifically the RAM, here are the actual engine models you'll want to pull. If you've just got an everyday laptop with 8 to 16 gigs of RAM, use a smaller engine like Llama 3.23b. If you step up to 16 to 32 gigs, the 8 model becomes your absolute sweet spot for handling business documents. And whatever you do, please don't forget to download the embedding model called Nomic-Embed Text. That is the very specific tool that actually turns your PDF files into searchable data.
Now, here's an absolutely crucial point. How do we stop the AI from just making things up? If you're running a business, you simply cannot have an AI promising customers things that you don't even sell. Well, in AnythingLLM, you can just flip your workspace over to query mode. This gives the model strict instructions. You're forcing it to answer strictly and only from your uploaded documents. If the answer isn't in your files, it's just going to tell the customer, I don't know.
And what makes AnythingLLM so incredibly relevant right now is its native support for MCP. Think of MCP as a kind of universal translator that lets different AI tools actually talk to each other. Because AnythingLLM uses this, you can expose your private knowledge base directly to super powerful tools like Claude Desktop. It means you get the brains of a massive top-tier AI, but it's safely reading your local business files.
Section 5. Control, costs, and risks.
Let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture here. Why does building this yourself even matter? Especially for businesses trying to keep their data sovereignty without getting absolutely crushed by big tech fees. Well, as Richard McManus demonstrates with his own really simple on-site assistant, you do not need some massive enterprise system to get started. He literally just added a tiny Ask About This post button directly onto his blog. It's clean, it's incredibly simple, and most importantly, it keeps the user on his website, instead of them wandering off to a third-party site to summarize his work.
However, you do have to navigate the trade-offs, and this is where the pitfalls really lie. Guardrails are absolutely essential because small local models can sometimes be a bit unreliable. Also, keep in mind that simple, focused buttons often perform way better for your customers than a big, open-ended, scary chat box. And strategically speaking, if you only rely on cloud APIs, your costs are going to skyrocket as you get more traffic. But worst of all, if you outsource everything, you risk completely losing that direct, valuable relationship with your own customers.
Ultimately, the businesses that are really going to succeed in this new agentic web are the ones that treat AI as a tool they control, not a platform they blindly depend on. You can use AnythingLLM and Llama today to build a private, incredibly cost-effective brain for your business. The technology is already here, and honestly, it can be up and running on your laptop in about 10 minutes. So the real question is, are you going to take the wheel and build your own cockpit? Or are you going to just sit back and let someone else fly the plane?